Sure. First of all, you can get addicted to benzodiazepines, right? Cause tolerance and withdrawal. Tolerance meaning you may need more and more of it to achieve the same effect. Withdrawal meaning that if you stop it, you can have rebound anxiety. Now, again, we're not suggesting that people get for better mood, which has passion flower in it, if you've been diagnosed with a psychiatric disorder. That's not what this is about. It's about if you have anxiety, not generalized anxiety disorder, even though the study looked at, in fact, people with the condition, and it still did just as well. Better, actually, because the passion flower didn't lead to trouble at work, etc. So here's the problem. And I love doctors. I think they're great, right? But if
Yeah.
you go to a doctor, the doctor is not going to say, hey, look, maybe you fall short of the diagnosis of this or that condition. Try the passion flower. That would be very unusual. In general, the doctor, because physicians are working within a particular structure,